Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Gloria. The book I'm going to introduce to you is called Maddie's Fridge by Louis Brunt, illustrated by Vin Vogel. What can the contents of a fridge tell you? Well, you'll find out when you read the book. This book is filled with colorful artwork and raises awareness about poverty and hunger with humor and warmth. It instills important lessons in friendship, trust, and helping others. The illustrations portraying smiling, wide-eyed girls in their community are also filled with warmth and a sense of community. So, what is this book all about? Let's find out. Sophia and Maddie are best friends who live in the same neighborhood, go to the same school, play in the same park. But while Sophia's fridge at home is full of food, Maddie's fridge is empty. After taking on the climbing wall in the park, the girls go to Maddie's apartment. A hungry Sophia looks for a snack and is surprised to find a lone carton of milk in Maddie's fridge. Maddie admits that her mom doesn't have money to go to the grocery store and makes Sophia promise to keep it secret. At home, Sophia's mom serves delicious dinners, and their fridge is filled with good things to eat, including her brother's favorite treat, cheesy pizza bombs. Worried about her friend, Sophia smuggles food to school. But food is good for children, but it's not good for backpacks. So each afternoon the girls play in the park. Sophia is the faster runner and Maddie the better climber. Sophia tries to follow Maddie to the top of the climbing wall, but it's too high for her. Maddie always encourages her. And one day, after sharing a burrito, Maddie lends a hand to Sophia, and Sophia finally reached the top of the wall. So Sophia, wanting to help her friend, faces a difficult decision: to keep a promise or to tell her mom about Maddie's empty fridge. So, what does she decide? In the end, wanting to help a friend, Sophia tells her mom about Maddie's empty fridge. Together, they pack groceries into a bag. Sophia is relieved that Maddie isn't angry about the broken promise. That evening, the two families share a dinner of cheesy pizza bombs, and Maddie and Sophia's friendship is even stronger. So what are the themes in the book? It's about poverty, friendship, empathy, and helping others. I really enjoyed reading this book and hope you will find the time to read it too. There are a lot to learn about being a good friend. Sometimes it is okay to break a promise if it means you are helping someone. Thank you.